There you go, Brookie.
Whoa, Boogie!
Sweet.
Oh, it better not be a giant pencil kit, or I'm gonna scream my head off. I love you! Sorry.
Oh, the octaves. Here, Brookie, here. Come here.
I love you, Furby!
That's beautiful.
What are you sitting on, Julie?
Hey.
Mommy, look!
Oh, cool.
And look what else you got me!
Got out with their
Let me
eyes.
see, Mia.
Oh my gosh, man, that is awesome.
What is going on?
See?
Oh, cool. What is it? Oh, it's like an art set?
Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful.
Julie knows I love art.
Wow.
Someone listens.
Where's the pads?
Wow.